What are you doing? Are you trying to chase my bunnies? You can't chase my bunnies. No. Hi kids, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunshine and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And I like to film my haul videos, my what sold videos, and a little bit of reseller content in between. Today I have another ThredUp men's box. This one, since I can lift it, it's probably the 20-pounder. And I spent $49 for it, including shipping. This one came from Georgia, and it took probably 2 weeks to get here. So, yeah, it took a little bit. And I haven't looked inside, but I have opened it. So here's the tissue paper. We're going to open it up and see what we have. Of course, everything's rolled up like a ball again. But I guess it kind of keeps it from wrinkling, maybe. I don't know. So the first piece feels like linen. Lord, that's a workout. Okay, first piece feels like linen. Doesn't mean it is. It's some kind of jacket. It says assembled in the Dominican Republic of USA Components. Dry clean only. And there's no brand that I can see, which is not a good thing. And I can barely read the tag. So I'm not even sure what it's made out of. Let me look and see if there's anything else. Oh, here we go. Hopefully it's big enough. Okay, so it's Hagar Clothing Company. It's on the inside pocket. I've heard of them. I don't think it's a high-end brand, but I'm not sure, and I cannot read the fabric tag. It's gold on black. Oh, okay, I can see that, though. It is linen. It appears to be 100% linen, so bonus. This is like, to me, it reminds me like of a summer men's piece, and maybe it's women's because it has shoulder pads. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to look this up. But yeah. Okay, it's a button front single-breasted blazer. And it's linen and it's lined. And it appears to be in excellent condition. Let me see, which side do the women's button on? This could be a women's. But anyway, it's really nice. Is that staining on the back? We might have some stains. Yeah. On the lower back. Hopefully I can get those out. Yeah, I think each of these pieces, depending on how many I get, will probably be around $6, but I'll have to count them at the end to be sure. So, okay, the first is a jacket. We don't know if it's a men's or a women's. And next item's cool. Let's see. Oh, and it's new with tags. Yay. Oh, and the tag at retail for $75. This is a Nike Golf size large Thermafit. So it's your quarter zip pullover. I like the colors on this. There's your Nike. And it's just your long sleeved pullover. It feels like thermal and t-shirt material. I think the t-shirt material's under the arms on the gray parts. So yeah, I really like that. There's the Nike swoosh. Excellent. Love it. Love, love, love. Moving on. There's something all wrinkly. It must be a button down. Love. Okay. Joe Fresh. Now, I have never heard. I mean, I have, but I don't know how well this brand does. It says Slim Fit Joe Fresh. I cannot even read that size. And it is a blue, and it's a paisley print. Looks like blue. Long sleeved, button front shirt. Appears to be in really good condition. Oh, it's a button down. Lightweight. I wish I could see what size that is. Really weird. It looks like it says V8. It cannot say V8, but it might. Anyway, yeah, I'm not happy with the button downs, but it's in good condition, so that's a bonus. Okay, moving on to, are those a pair of jeans? I hope not. We all know I'll never pick up a denim rescue box again. Okay, this is Calvin Klein, size medium. Lightweight button front shirt. I wonder if this is a women's too. Let's see. It's like a cardigan, a really lightweight cardigan. But if the buttons are any indication, I'm thinking this one's a women's too. Probably. I don't buy these men boxes to get women's clothing. Not happy. Especially Calvin Klein. That's, yeah, not good. Okay, this one is turning out to be a bummer, unfortunately. A bunch more button downs. This one is original weatherproof vintage. Well, that doesn't tell me who it is, but it's a size large. Anybody ever heard of that brand? Let me know if you have. It's kind of cool with the denim inside. Oh, it's got the denim underneath too. So it's short sleeves, printed button front shirt. It's got a pocket. It's lightweight. Appears to be in good condition. I like the little denim detailing. Kind of like this shirt I have on. This is, somebody took this sweatshirt and put a jean zipper in it for the neckline, and yeah, it's really cool. Okay, so yeah, not impressed with that. And then we have another button down. Hopefully these are the same size. I can lot them together. Okay, this is a Nautica size large. And it is a plaid, long sleeve, button down shirt. That's kind of cute. What is that? So let's get the logo on the pocket, the embroidered logo. Must be a sailboat for Nautica. I mean, they're in good condition. It's just, I'm not a big fan of button-down shirts. Or steaming them, for that matter. We have a pair of jeans. Bummer. Bummer, bummer. And I don't even care. I don't want jeans in my box. Okay, these are Levi's 513. Size 34 by 32. Trying to see if it says what they are, but it doesn't. Okay, so you have Levi's 513, 34, 32, medium wash jeans. I wonder if these are women's. Since, you know, the whole box appears to be women's. These actually have some good resale value. Music. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. I have no clue. I have to look them up. But they appear to be in good condition. And they are Levi's. So, yeah, I'd rather get these than the button fronts. Alrighty, we have a pair of pants, and I actually see shoes. Okay, so the first pair are a pair of Johnston & Murphy Optima I don't know anything about this brand, but these appear to be really quality shoes. And they're made in the USA. And the soles aren't too bad. The tops are immaculate. I don't know what size these are. Let's see. I think they're a 13. Yeah, I have luck selling 13s. I must have somebody that looks at my store that wears a size 13 because I just sold a pair of Born sandals in a size 13. Okay, so it's a loafer. I can't tell if it's brown or black. Brown. Put it up in the camera, you find out. I'm jazzed I got some shoes. And like I said, they appear to be in really good condition. Of course, I won't know till I get them under the lights. That's where everything shows. Here's the other one. Yeah, everything's in really good condition. I mean, these are really, really... I wonder if I can... Let me see if I can hold them both up together. There's some heavy shoes. Kind of jazzed about that. That's kind of cool. Okay, so we have one pair of jeans, or one pair of shoes, another pair coming. Okay, these are something Cohesion. Cohesion grip. Why is there nothing marked inside the footbed? I think these are a men's 8. Why is nothing marked? Oh, there we go. Saucony. Okay, I think these are an okay brand, but I'm not sure. So we have some Saucony sneakers in a men's. What did I say they were? 8? That could be a 9. And they have grip soles, and it says Cohesion. At least it gives me some stuff to look up. And they're in used condition, but not bad. I wish these were my size. I would definitely keep them because the insole is so cushiony and soft. Look at that. Love it. These do fit me, and I will be keeping them to walk in. So we have a pair of gray Saucony sneakers. In good condition. So let's see what all I got. I got 2 pairs of shoes, a pair of jeans, 3 button-down shirts, 1 jacket, 1 pullover, and 1 button-down. We're not sure if it's men's or women's. So let me count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. So 9 into 50, we're looking at, yeah, around $5, $6 each. So I'm thinking I can easily get my money back, probably on the Nike jacket, maybe the linen blazer, and maybe these Johnston & Murphy
Bingo!
shoes.
These already sold, as you can see in the picture.
But be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see if any of these items sold in my next Profit Picks video. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.